Today I will be teaching you how to fix your engine block so you won't have to engine swap. First step is to grab a welder and some argon so you can start welding and make a base so that the engine can be held together. Next step is to sand it down with files, sandpaper, and angle grinders to make it smooth like it once was. If there was a bolt involved, you're going to want to re-tap that hole with the correct threads. Your part should now look like this. Use gasket makers so that there will not be any imperfections. Now here's the finished product. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.